Alright, YouTube, just making another video on Pittsburgh Harbor Freight Crescent wrenches. Gotta remember all the hand tools have a lifetime warranty on them, but that's besides the point. Here's the 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and a 12-inch. They're all SAE and metric, obviously. They have little diameter things on those, measuring things on all of them. Pretty solid. All work great. No, loosening or anything. Probably not when you use them on nuts and shit. I haven't used them yet, but I guarantee they work great. All of them come with these little rubber grips with a yellow thing on top. Real comfortable. Really easy to use. Slide great, no problem. Nothing tough about them. But if they rust, obviously it's gonna be a bitch. That's really all you can say about them. They're fucking crescent wrenches, monkey wrenches, adjustable wrenches, whatever you want to call them. That's about it. So keep watching for more hand tool reviews and other shit. Harbor Freight. Bye. Alright, YouTube, just making another video on Pittsburgh Harbor Freight Crescent wrenches.